Hey there. So, if you guys are a loan officer or a mortgage broker, I've made this mortgage comparison spreadsheet for you that might be helpful to you. So, it's a really simple sheet, and so this is for you to, show your clients multiple different loan options in one sheet. And there's some cool features about it. This is available in Google Sheets at this time. And so what you would want to do is, so we'll put in the loan name here. So let's say this is loan one, and then the loan amount, say, is $150,000. The interest rate, say it's 2.5%. And I'm going to show you that because what happens is, if in this sheet, the cool thing about it is if you have the lowest item, so this is the lowest interest rate offered on all the loans, it's going to turn a light pink color. If we have the highest interest rate, it's going to turn that color a darker pink. So that way you can easily see on your sheet, as far as the loan amount, the interest rate, the down payment, or the monthly payment, which one's is the highest and which one's the lowest amount of all the options that you have. Isn't that fun? The next thing is the loan term. So say this is a 15-year loan. They have a down payment of $50,000, a monthly payment of, say, $5,500. And is PMI required? Yes or no? PMI length, you can put whatever the length is, or not applicable. If there's any loan discount points, any loan credits used, and any upfront MIP. So that's how it works. And then you can print this out as well and show it to your clients, or you can just easily share this screen with them. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com. I do have a loan officer, a template bundle that might be helpful, as well as tax deduction trackers and all sorts of other things that might help you, like a monthly budget and different things like that. So thanks, you guys, and I hope you have a great day.